Hey, what's up guys? What's up mga ka-insects and mga kamananap right there? How are you feeling today? Eh, shout out to you all. Right now I'm with my puppies and dogs right here, sleeping beside me. Uh, yeah. And I wanna thank you for the people who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all your support, and to all small YouTuber like me. Don't don't be sad that some of your subscribers is lost because Lolo, our grandfather, is very strict right now. So don't be sad. Just enjoy fishing right there. Right? Everything's gonna be okay. Yeah. All small YouTubers like me, just enjoy and never give up. Yeah. Come on. Just enjoy, man. Enjoy all fishing activities in the live stream. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. And I want to shout out to Francis Eric Rivas, my friend in Cebu. He's always commented on my video. So please shout out his name. So now I'm gonna shout out to you, bro, Francis Eric Rivas. Yeah, my friend. Just stay safe there, and pray always, man. And also I want to shout out to my friends on YouTube, Boss Julian De La Serna and Dorin Loy, Cesarina Lacan Lily, and Martel Perez, Nilmart Vlogs. Hey guys, if you interested in arts, if you are great in drawing, yeah, just please subscribe Dorin Loy and Boss Julian De La Serna, because yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.